Okay, everybody, this is one of the last stops on our tour. This is kind of like the brains of the operation. These are the people that help keep these facilities up and running. This is the Network Operations Center. One of the things that you'll notice behind me, you're going to see a bunch of different screens. You got security cameras, you got the data center infrastructure management platform. That is where a lot of the magic happens. This is where these folks monitor the health, the environment, the floor plan, what needs to be ultimately deployed. DSIM stands for Data Center Infrastructure Management. It's a software tool that allows these wonderful folks, these data center engineers, these planning managers, to actually know what's happening on that floor down on the data center level itself. So what needs to be replaced? Is there a fault? Where's the customer putting in their gear? You have to know where that stuff is going. And this network operations center is capable of handling all of that. Very important, kind of like the brains of the operation. And these are the people that go and replace hard drives, put in networking equipment, make changes as they need to. But again, they need a piece of software that tells them what's happening in the facility. And a lot of times this is where it's all aggregated together so they can actually see what's happening. Where do we even start? I love this industry, and thanks for spending some time with me today. I think working in the data center space is exceedingly amazing and so much fun, and there's so many opportunities. What you and I did today is we did a full tour of an actual data center. Now, this facility is about 20,000 square feet, over a megawatt of power. There are some facilities that are even bigger. Some of them are even smaller, called edge locations. But the idea today was for you to get a concept or at least a notion of what data centers look like, the critical infrastructure that they support, and how they keep all of the world connected. I love this industry. And what's fascinating about all of this is if you're watching this and you're a mechanical, computer, electrical, business major, you have a chance to do something amazing in this industry as well. Again, all of these data centers, all of these racks, all of these servers are what keep the world going and keeps it pushing forward. So if there's a data center nearby or a little bit of an opportunity for you to learn about something, go visit a facility. You never know. You might learn something pretty special because, hey, data centers are pretty amazing. Thanks for spending some time with me. And you know what? Keep learning.